Do you know what waste is? Do you know about the different types of waste and how can we reduce and segregate wastes? Let's all learn about it.
Hey Waste! I have been wondering, who really are you?
Great question. I am basically any unwanted or unusable material. I am any substance which is discarded after use, is worthless or is of no use. Although I may be useless for something, I can be useful in other things.
Really? But how are you useful?
To understand that, you must understand that I am of two types. The first is dry waste. Dry waste, come over here.
Hello, I'm dry waste. Basically, I am any waste which is dry and can be recycled, which means to use the material to make something new. Some examples of me are paper, plastic, metal, glass, rubber, thermocol, styrofoam, fabric, leather, refined wood. I can be recycled so that I can be used again.
Many things that are dry waste are non-biodegradable, which means that it takes hundreds of years for them to decompose, but some of them, like paper, wood and fabric, are biodegradable.
Oh, I'm starting to get this.
My second type is wet waste. Wet waste, come over here.
And wet waste. I am so much more useful than dry waste because I can be decomposed and can be great for an environment, as I am typically made of organic matter and have liquid in me. Some examples of me are vegetable waste, food waste, dead plants and animals, etc.
Okay, now I understand your types, but why is waste management such a big problem if you can use it?
You see, the dry wastes created by people are not recycled, and so it causes a lot of damage to our environment. And the wet waste is not decomposed because people don't segregate the waste properly. So instead of decomposing, it releases a lot of toxic gases.
What is waste segregation?
Waste segregation, come here.
I am waste segregation. I am the process by which waste is separated into different types. I can occur manually at the household or be collected through the curbside collection schemes, or automatically separated in materials recovery facilities or mechanical biological treatment systems.
Wow, this is a lot of information. I didn't know about any of this. Us humans cause so much harm to the environment. I know some people recycle and help in decomposing wet wastes. However, there are so many people out there who don't even bother to segregate waste and aren't even eco-friendly. Please can you explain us and the friends watching this on how to solve waste problems?
Sure, the steps to reduce dry waste are: use a reusable bottle or cup for beverages on the go. Use reusable grocery bags and not just for groceries. Purchase recyclable products. Compost biodegradable wastes like vegetable and fruit wastes. Shop local farmers markets and buy in bulk to reduce packaging. Always reduce, reuse and recycle. Dry waste, as discussed, should be recycled and wet waste should be composted. We should limit the amount of trash we give to the garbage man because it will get mixed up with the other trash in the dumping grounds.
Thank you for telling me about the 3 R's. There are so many ways to reduce trash. I pledge to follow all of them and help our environment become better and better.
Our small steps can help us grow and solve these big problems. Remember always, reduce, reuse and recycle dry waste and always compost wet waste.
Fun facts: we bin around 50 million tons of electrical waste globally every year.
Did you know India generates about 62 million tons of yearly waste, out of which 70% is collected?